Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's video I am finally going to swatch and review the Holo Taco Cottagecore Collection. This collection has been sitting on my work desk for the last couple of weeks and I just couldn't force myself to swatch these. I don't know what it was. I was just more into other collections, doing nail art and so on, being a mom, working, all that jazz, and just not wanted to sit down and record this collection for some reason. I don't know. But yeah, I figured since there is just a freshly new released Holo Taco collection, which came out yesterday, once this video will go up, I was like, I have to do this because otherwise I am like so late to the party. And it actually is quite a cute collection, may I say. So yeah, I actually bought this for like $78, $80. I don't even remember because it's been a hot minute. But there are 6 creamy colors. They are very muted, kind of dusty looking, quite nice. If you are into neon super bright ones, this collection might not be for you, but if you are like me and you can really appreciate a good dusty like pastel-y kind of tone, definitely check it out. There's also a 7th polish in this collection, which is a glittery topper, which contains like a couple of different kind of glitters, like finely milled ones, a little bit bigger ones, and also flower shaped ones. So yeah, it's really cute. But let's just start off with this first color already. And I have to be honest, I'm already out of breath. I'm like way over 20 weeks pregnant at the moment, and this little baby is pressing up against my lungs. It's crazy. I feel like I have to breathe so much more often with just talking one sentence. It's insane. But yeah, this one is called Touch Grass. It is a little bit of a darker green, very nicely pigmented, I have to say. I actually swatched all of these polishes with just one coat to show you what they're capable of within that first layer. So some will be a little bit more opaque looking than the others. That's just because lighter shades tend to need a second coat. But I really wanted to show you guys what these polishes can do within one coat, just one single swipe. Because I feel like we're all really busy and life can get really hectic. Like, that's also the reason why I'm only now uploading this video. And I've only just swatched these last week. So yeah, I don't want to spend a lot of your time watching ad like footage you don't really like feel like add something to your life. So that's why I'm doing one coat swatches today, and I have to say I am pretty impressed, especially with this one. Time after time, it is a light dusty minty green, I have to say. I expected it to be way sheer, so I was really impressed to see it like this opaque within just one coat. Next up is definitely one of my favorites from this collection. It's called Skipping Stones. It is one of those colors that is in that sweet spot right in between a lavender purple and a lavender blue. It's a really like, to your personal reference, how you would describe this color, because I feel like it is just right in that sweet spot. I don't know if this is more of a purple or if this is more of a blue. I don't know. Oh, and I accidentally went out of frame because I knocked over the bottle and I was like, oh, I don't want to spill a $12 bottle of polish all over the place, especially on my filming area. Like, oh, I didn't want that to happen. So that's why I was just out of frame for a little bit to just quickly put that bottle right up again. But yeah, I was once again not disappointed with how it looked within one coat. I do feel like it could need a second layer, especially if you have longer nails and you don't want your like natural smile line to peek through. I felt like it did so just a little bit for this polish, but it really wasn't too shabby. Next up is Rosemary Kill. It is one of the pinkier kind of shades from this collection. It is pretty much just a white with a little hint of pink. Once again, very dusty, very old pinkish kind of looking. I really love colors like these. I think they're really wearable, and once again opaque wise, it wasn't too bad within that first coat. I do have to mention that these polishes do tend to dry a little faster than, for example, Catrice or Essence Cosmetics. So if you want to add a second coat, you can definitely do so within like 3 minutes after applying the first coat. Just something I want to put out there. Holo Taco is actually a really nice brand. They are vegan, they are cruelty free, they are safe to use as well. Of course, always use products like this the way they're supposed to be used to prevent any like weird stuff from happening, like allergic reactions or anything, but I've personally never had that happen to me before. So yeah, I do know they are very safe to use also when you are pregnant, just like me. The next one is a very like old rosy, like dusty pink kind of color, just a little bit darker. It's kind of like a pink with some brown in there, which makes it very wearable as well. It is actually one of my favorite colors to wear on like a daily basis. You can do so much with a pinky tone like this because it is very wearable. You can do a lot of nail art on top of this, like you name it. Like if you can think of it, you can definitely use this color for it because it's just very lovely. And yeah, once again, one coat, it was like 90% opaque, which is very good for just a creamy color. And yeah, once again, if you are into the dusty, pastel-y, muted kind of tones, definitely check out this collection. I just looked at their website, like holotaco.com, which is the only place you should actually buy these, because then you know they are new, they aren't like fakes or dupes or anything like that. I saw that these polishes were actually in stock again, or maybe they didn't even sell out. I'm not quite sure about that, but they are still available. So yeah, definitely check them out if you have like the financial like means to meet that. Because these are $12 a bottle and the topper is actually $13. So yeah, they are a little bit more pricey, but they are pretty good. So this one is called Wild Child. It is a very nice, kind of like a darker muted lavender color. Really nice opaque wise as well within one coat. I'd say this one is fully opaque. And yeah, I'm just a little bit obsessed with how opaque these are. I kid you not. Then finally, to wrap up this entire video as well as the swatches and this cottagecore collection, there is a glittery top coat. You can see right here there are like silver flower shaped glitters. There are kind of like iridescent bigger glitters in there, as well as some finely milled holographic glitter, which I love. The base, it has like a slight pink like tinge to it, but I have to say I didn't really see that like back on the nail, because I am going to apply this topper on top of the Wild Child color, like the last like creamy color I just swatched. And yeah, my camera was having so much issues focusing with this polish. Even applying it, it was like all over the place, but I was like, I'm not gonna cut that out. I just want to show you guys what this polish is like and just show you how easy it is to apply as well. I actually thought I would struggle a little bit more with like the bigger flower shaped glitters, but it was pretty doable, to be honest. You just want to make sure you already have some of those glitters on your brush and just slide over. You can also just pick them up with like a dotting tool or a toothpick or something to do like very specific placement if you want to. But yeah, the finely milled glitter and the kind of like iridescent purple to green bigger glitters, I think they go so well with this collection. I think it's a very nice topper. Of course, it can look a little childish with like the bigger flower glitters, so if that's not something you're into, just skip this one. But do check out the creamy colors because they are just really good. And yeah, once again, they are a little bit more on the pricier side. But yeah, then again, if you want to spend that amount of money, definitely try them out because it's a really nice brand. But yeah, this was my entire new swatch and review video of the Holo Taco Cottagecore Collection. Let me know what you think about these colors. Do you want me to do some nail polish of the week videos with them? Let me know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much and I hope to see you next time.